Hi, let's talk today about JavaScript Achievement of the Year 2019 and key front-end trends. I'm Anatoly, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here or you want to learn front-end in JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. Let's start from the exciting news. According to GitHub, Octoverce and RedMonk's programming language ranking, JavaScript is still the #1 programming language. TypeScript is also rocketing up and now sits the position number 12. By the way, for the first time Python has overtaken Java to take second place. There are several features approved to be part of the ES 2019 specification. Among them are Array.flatMap, String.trimStart and others. JavaScript as a language demonstrates continuous growth. One more feature that is expected to be shipped in JavaScript is public and private class fields. It's already available in Chrome and Node and may be delivered to other browsers soon. The project Deno made progress. Therefore, Dahl presented how to get started with it. Deno is a safe, secure and reliable alternative to Node. Thus, you might be interested in it. React hooks have been presented as a complementation to the React context. That might be a game changer, because we can omit state management libraries, like Redux, and React becomes more frameworkish. Probably some next year we will see React router and styled components to become a part of React. We'll see. During Google I/O 2019, it has been announced that Googlebot now runs the latest Chromium rendering engine to ensure the support for the newest web platform features. It means that SEO is now becoming much more comfortable. One more great feature is WebAuth, password-free login APIs on the web approved by W3C. It is already available in Android, Windows 10, Chrome, Firefox and Edge. OpenJS Foundation welcomes two new projects, AMP and MVM. These are the first projects that are engaged by the incubation process since the Node.js Foundation and GSF merges. I believe that's just the beginning. World Wide Web Consortium brings a new language to the web. Following HTML, CSS and JavaScript, WebAssembly becomes the fourth language for the web, which allows code to run in the browser. That might change the web in the following years. We'll see. That's all in my list. What about you? In your opinion, what the most influenced on the front end this year? Leave your comments down below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year!